Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can delete bookmarks from your iPhone home screen. So for instance, you added like a website page to your home screen and you just want to delete it. Go to your home screen, and to delete it, just simply select on the bookmark, then select delete bookmark, and it is that simple. Press delete. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!